All right, so here's how to properly fit your Bino mount with your Bino harness. So first step, if you can't figure this one out, I don't know what to tell you. Put your Bino harness on. Okay. Then you're gonna take your waist belt. You can undo either side, doesn't matter. Give yourself some slack. Go around behind. Apparently I'm a little girthy, I need a little more slack. There we go, snug that up. So what we're looking for is the gun not dragging the whole Bino harness across your chest when you draw. It should be a one-handed draw. So there's two ways to wear this, depending on the buckles that your Bino harness has. If they have these 1-inch standard mil-spec type buckles, you can hook them right to the holster and not run a waist belt. And this is how I prefer to wear it. Some people like the waist belt, some people like this. Try it out, see what works good for you.